Hey Math Monsters! Alright, so hopefully you're working in Level 2, DIY 1. If you haven't gotten this piece of paper yet, go to your Level 2 Active Learning Cycle box and go get it. So I'm going to give you a second to do that. And then also make sure that you have a pencil. Alright, so today we're going to be working on solving addition with counters. Okay? So I'm going to draw some examples over here on my whiteboard. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. So let's say that we were trying to solve the problem. Or let's say you saw this representation of adding. I'm going to draw counters to represent an addition problem. Okay? Now, the counters that are not colored in are going to be like the white ones on your worksheet, and then the counters that I color in will be like the black ones on your worksheet. So here I've got 3 white counters. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 filled in counters. Now I can write an addition equation to match this picture. Okay? So the first add-in in my addition equation is going to be the white counters. So let's see how many white counters we have. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's my first add-in. Plus, how many black counters? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this right here represents 3 plus 4 equals something. Now we can count all of the counters together to get our sum, our total amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's try another one together. Oh, sorry guys, this isn't as racing as easy as hope. It's going to be a little messy, but let's work with what we got, okay? All right, let's say I had this representation. Here are my filled in ones. Alright, so my first add-in is going to be the white counters. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My next add-in is going to be the filled in counters. 1, 2. So this right here represents 5 plus 2 equals something. Now let's count all the counters together to determine our sum or total amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, my friends. Now, don't get confused. For this DIY, you do not need a whiteboard and you do not need a marker. Okay? That was just for teaching purposes so I could show you. So do not get a whiteboard. Do not get a dry erase marker. All you need, my friends, is this piece of paper and a pencil. Okay? Now, this first problem has been done partly for you as a reminder. But look, they haven't written the total sum yet. All right, Math Monsters, I can't wait to see what you have to show us about adding with counters.